Hey there, welcome back friends. In this video we will talk about Spring STS furthermore. Now friends, we are making use of this Spring tool Suite 4 for quite some time, and we have developed couple of applications, and as the name suggests, this is a Spring tool suite. Well, even though this is a Spring tool suite, this is optimized for Spring Boot. So in here you can easily make out and check the Spring Boot dashboard. There are a couple of Spring Boot related features in here, and a couple of things are missing as well. For example, if I navigate to File, New, and from this option of a File, New, for example, we click on this option Other, and let me expand this, then we can easily make out that there are very less number of options in here. For example, if we check the web option, there is no option of dynamic web project, and the reason being this is STS, and STS is by default a scaled down version of Eclipse. There is only limited options, and these options are specifically designed to meet the development requirement of a Spring Boot application. So in here, definitely this won't work for us if we wish to create a Spring MVC based application. How to fix this? Very simple. We can navigate to Help, and in here we can install a new package, a new software. So click on this option, Install New Software, and in here it will ask us to type or select a site. So in here, if I show you, there are like couple of options in here, right? So there are a couple of options, and let me also show you how we can get better options. So in here, all available sites is one of the option, and one of the option is this one, which is 2018/03 2019/03. So this link is interesting. Let me show you one thing. So in here, for example, we Google for Eclipse download. Here we go. Then the latest version of Eclipse is what? This is 2019-03. Let me close this now, and if I open up STS, then this will show the latest version actually. And in here, 2018-3 is nothing but the internal version, I suppose, but this is good enough. Click on this link, and this will try to check all the packages which are available inside this particular release. And if I show you, there are like multiple packages, right? One of the packages Web XML Java EE, right? So let us check this package, and in here you will get couple of options, right? And in here we will be adding couple of options like Eclipse Java EE Developer Tools, then Eclipse Java Web Developer Tools, and later down the line we will make use of couple of things from JAX-RS again if we use STS, but JAX-RS is already included in Eclipse, so I guess we won't be making use of that. But as of now, Java EE Developer Tools and Java Web Developer Tools are good enough. Are there a couple of more tools which we can add as of now? Let me check. I suppose that's it. If there is a requirement to add a yet another component, you can follow the step. You can install a software, you can check based on your requirement and install it right away, and those functionalities will be added into Eclipse. So this is interesting, that how easily we can add components into the STS. Let me accept the license agreement, and now it will install the software. It will definitely take some time. Let me pause this video, and definitely after the installation also restart the STS. So after the installation of the software, I will also restart the IDE, and I will come back just after the installation. Alright, the installation of the new software has been completed. The new modules will be added after a restart. So let us quickly restart STS. It will take couple of seconds. Here we go. Now this is good, and definitely if I again navigate to File, New, Other, Let me expand this. Then we will be able to see a couple of additional options, and if I check, then definitely the dynamic web project module has been added. So now moving forward from our next video, we will try to understand how exactly we can create a dynamic web project or web project in general, and later down the line we will again start exploring the Spring MVC option under Spring. Alright, so that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and take care.